Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to transfer Google Chrome bookmarks from one system to another system. So let me show you how to do it. For that, just open Google Chrome on your first system and click on three dots on top right side. Click on bookmarks and lists, and here click on bookmark manager. And here click again that three dots and click on export bookmarks and select the location where you want to save. Better save it on external USB drive and click save. I saved that file on my USB drive. After that, go to the second PC. Now connect that USB drive on the second PC and open Google Chrome on it and click on three dots here and click on bookmarks and lists, and here click on import bookmarks and settings, and in this box just select bookmarks and HTML file from the drop down. Click on choose file and select the file from the location. Okay, now the import is completed and you can see all the bookmarks are showing here. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helpful for you, hit like and share and subscribe for future videos.